The Electric Time Company is the nation's only custom maker of outdoor clocks. And they've made some pretty impressive ones since the company's founding back in 1932.
We did a clock down in Miami, Florida that's 30 foot, that's designed to stand up to hurricane force winds. And we actually had the mechanism going through the side of our building with a fork truck lifting it up, and had to bring a crane truck from the outside to lift the hands because they weighed almost 250 pounds apiece.
The Electric Time Company builds about 1,000 clocks a year, shipping them all over the globe. Many have up to 500 parts, all of them made right here on this. And the large clocks are back in vogue big time, says company president Tom Erb.
A lot of people think a clock is 30 years. We just installed it. It adds a nice flavor to town. Like an old, everybody's trying to bring back the downs and get footic, and it makes a very nice point for the foot traffic in downtown.
Among recent impressive projects, Electric Time did one for the Farmers Market in Los Angeles and for this New York jewelry store, featuring a facade that simultaneously provides time in 26 different time zones. Today's clocks are no longer your grandfather's timepieces.
The modern clocks have an automatic control. It knows when daylight savings time happens, and if there's a power outage, the clocks will actually stop. When the power comes back on, the clocks automatically reset to the proper time. Recently, in the past 5 or 6 years, we've actually started offering a GPS receiver, and it gets the time from the GPS satellites, and the clocks, they can't be any more accurate than that.
Currently in-house, Electric Time has clocks headed for the streets of Boston and as far away as Bolivia and India. So what do these little old clock makers do for fun when away from here and on their own time?
We actually go visit our clocks, and my staff does too. So when you go on vacation, you end up visiting the clocks and seeing them. They're almost like children in a way. So you go see the projects all around the country.
There was a time when Boston neighborhoods had 30 clocks, and that dwindled down to just 2, and the mayor's hoping to bring that back and bring timepieces back to all of Boston's
that would be great. That's
yeah.
a nice addition. Chronicle will be right back.
Thursday on Chronicle,